Hello, my name is George Cohen. I am your child's teacher for World History 9 Honors. I have taught at West Potomac for 22 years, all in world history. I've taught AP World, World 9, and World 10. Occasionally, I've taught an elective for religion and current events. Here is a picture of the new wing at West Potomac, and you can see my classroom on the right. Since I took this picture, I put up a lot of posters that I hope will make the room look much more friendly. World 9 covers prehistory to the Renaissance in 1500. We cover river valley civilizations, classical civilizations in Greece, Rome, India, and China. In the second semester, we examine the rise and spread of Islam, the Mongol invasions, and finally, feudal Europe. Students will learn how to write a thesis-based essay with evidence and write 3 of them over the course of a year. These will count as a verified credit for history. Students can access what we did in class by referring to the class agenda, which is linked in Schoology, often with links for the activities that we've done in class. Students do a variety of different activities in class that run the gamut from web quests to newspapers to obituaries to discussions and various review activities. Here you see a newspaper or an obituary for Julius Caesar and a review activity that essentially is a puzzle working with vocabulary. Schoology is organized by chronologically by unit. On the left, you can see we go from prehistory, river valleys, eastern river valleys, etc. And your child's calendar will pop up with any upcoming quizzes or tests. And finally, you can find the syllabus in the Start Here menu on Schoology. The grading for World 9 is divided into 2 parts. 30% of the grade is called formative and includes homework, classwork, and map quizzes. 70% of your child's grade is what we call summative, and it includes essentially content quizzes and tests, essays, and DBQs, or document-based essays. So that's the way the grade is formulated, and then, of course, the grade carries over each quarter in a rolling grade book. My email address can be found in the Start Here folder, so if you have questions, please email me, and I will try to answer within 24 hours or much sooner. There's my email address, and some additional resources include Khan Academy. Their videos are excellent, and their articles follow along with our curriculum very well. And then there are the crash course videos, John Green, 8 to 10 minutes, sometimes a little longer, that cover each topic that we cover in our curriculum. Thanks a lot, and I am looking forward to a great year with your students.